Manufacturers are facing some incredible challenges right now. They're trying to deliver value far beyond their product. Customers are demanding these Amazon-like experiences, expecting things like sustainability and sourcing of their products, high levels of support and personalization, and they're just expecting a lot more value. We're trying to give them all the tools that they need and give them the understanding that they need in terms of what needs to be changed and in what order and what time period. We absolutely believe that we're not trying to rip and replace everything out of their business, that there's easy incremental ways of easing their way into this. The reality is that they're trying to make sense of all the different solutions out there, and it's oftentimes too late that they've gone down the wrong path. Buyers, at the end of the day, they want a partner, and you're trying to figure out a way in which you can digitize that experience. A, to scale it, but B, because that's what they expect. Buyers nowadays have the capability of doing all their own research. They have the capability and expect all the information that they need to have to make a decision should be online without talking to anybody anymore. And manufacturing wasn't built that way. Manufacturing was really built around that relationship. So that's the challenges that they're up against. So this digitization process can't just be about the transactions. It can't just be about providing a way to hit the buy now button. It really has to be about digitizing trust. How do you bring a digital spin on everything that you've worked hard for to ensure that you can maintain those relationships? Tech shouldn't get in the way of that. It should build on that. It should strengthen those relationships. It should amplify them. It should honor them. When a manufacturer is going down that path, we want to take all those decades of experiences and relationships and we want to transfer that into a digital form that builds on what they have worked so hard for. Tech shouldn't dictate how you do your business. They have to understand that, and they have to make sure that they select the right partner that understands that.